Today we're in Palmar. We're in a complex called La Terrace del Palmar. We're looking at a ground floor, one bedroom apartment with a garage. We've also got this terrace here. It's absolutely massive. It's got a view of the pool, and the pool here is like an oasis in La Terrace del Palmar. It's really, really nice. There's also a surprise to this apartment, and we'll get to that towards the end. Let's have a look around. So coming through the main entrance here, and there you can see a telephone entry system for the complex, and that's the view you get as soon as you come in through the door. So let's have a look into the bedroom. Massive double bedroom. Loads of space either side of this bed, and you've obviously got the door out there which leads out to the balcony. Fitted wardrobes and a ceiling fan as well. Nice light bright bedroom. So out left into the bathroom, fully fitted bathroom, so you've got bidet, toilet, bath. There's a shower attachment there as well for the bath, and then the hand basin there. So back out, and then left is the main door there, and then straight into the lounge. Another large bright lounge, and the kitchen semi-independent there through the archway. Nice kitchen, clean and tidy, everything works. Nice clean kitchen, and then straight out to this massive lounge. Plenty of space for a dining table as well. Doors out onto the balcony there, and a ceiling fan in the lounge. So let's go outside to the balcony. Storage cupboard there, there's a water heater inside there. And they've got mainly tiled, and then some artificial grass there. That's the door. So you've got the door to the bedroom and the door to the lounge. Then off of this balcony you've got this view of the swimming pool. Really, really nice pool, lovely complex this. And there's our surprise down there. Come on, let's go and have a look. So, in this corner here there's a little gate. It's all part and parcel of the apartment, all comes with the apartment. Down these stairs to this massive terrace down here. And this one's actually got its own, that gate there's a little gate there that's private entrance onto the pool. So you've got this massive area here. As I say, it's all part of the, it's all part of the apartment. So there's our apartment up there. Just a really nice, large, sunny terrace. And then through this sliding door here, we've got the garage, which really isn't a garage. So at the moment they've got it as a gym. They started converting it to a studio apartment, and they started with a kitchen here. It's got its own bathroom, ceiling fan. It's a nice little setup. The apartment comes with two garages. One's next door to this, and then this one here, there's the bathroom. No light in there, I'm afraid, but a fully fitted bathroom. So good option for a studio flat, and still parking in the garage next door, and back out onto this terrace.